R&M Spelt's Family Farm coming at you with a new kitchen timer. It's from Whousewe, and it has a lot of neat features that we just don't have in our kitchen right now. Obviously, it's a digital timer. We have a non-digital timer I'll show you later that really isn't very functional anymore, but we're hoping this one can really help us out in not missing things in the oven. So it's got a couple really nice features. You can change the volume of your alert, and you can also change the brightness of the LCD display in front. It does come with batteries, but to make sure that they aren't run down by the time you get this product, they are wrapped in plastic so that they did not accidentally get turned on and left on in the box. So we'll just have to take the plastic off of all of them so we can get started using our new timer. Some of the neat features that we like are that it does give you a second option. You can go down to every 5 seconds. You can get a choice on that. The kitchen timer on the oven, well, that only gives you down to a minute. So that's a big range that you can really burn some things in. So this will be really nice to get down to that seconds of getting things cooked just right. And it's also going to have, the choices of the volume if you want it not so loud to not wake up the baby while he's sleeping, or if you want it really loud because you want to be in a different room and you don't want to take it with you. It's got that too. As you can see, just turn it on. All you have to do is spin the outside. It gives you the times. Spin it faster, it'll move the minutes. Spin it slower, it just moves the seconds. And it goes by 5-second increments. So now we can do that and start it up. Hit the button, starts counting down. Hit the button again, it stops. So you can see there it was at the brightest. We changed it. It's a little hard to see here on the camera, unfortunately, but it does get brighter and dimmer, but we went with the brightest setting since I'd like to see it from far away. So we'll pick a time here, and we're going to bake some cookies for you and show you how it compares to the timer on the oven. Since unfortunately recently we've burned a few things just listening for the oven timer, since it likes to shut off after a few beeps. And then we just forget about it if you're not listening to it. So you can see that this timer is really nice compared to this kitty timer here. While Kitty is very adorable, Kitty is also very inaccurate. I mean, is that 30 minutes? Is that 29? I don't really know. And then you hope that nobody comes by and puts a towel on it and it stops actually spinning and timing. So we just want to see how loud. This is the loudest setting that it has. And we just want to see how loud it really was. So not the loudest timer that you've ever heard, but it does keep going until you actually push the button to stop it. It also has a neat feature of magnets on the back of it, and it works really well when you actually have metal. Unfortunately, there isn't enough metal in my oven anywhere on the front of it to allow the magnets to work. So we do have to use the other feature, which is this nice door that lets it stand on its own. So here we go. Try to get the timer set up here. Okay, so they're ready. Grab the cookies. Stick them in. Nice thing is we have 2 ovens, so we can have 2 timers. 1 timer for each oven. Unfortunately, the timer on this oven doesn't last very long once you get it set. You gotta start it right away. There we go. Now, obviously, I'm assuming that the timer is going to keep time properly, but we're going to see how they come out together and see which one reminds us to get our food out of the oven better. Instead of waiting for 5 minutes to be over, I think we're just going to have to cut to the chase. Here we go. Cookies are almost done. See which one reminds us to get it out of the oven better. As you can see, the kitchen oven timer just beeped about 5 times and quit. The Whousewe timer just keeps going until you come turn it off. So annoyance factor is good. It does not let you forget your cookies in the oven because you wouldn't want to burn those. And definitely much better than the oven timer. We're very happy with it, and we're looking forward to making a lot more cookies with it. Thanks for watching, and please keep watching more of our videos and support us as we try to make our life here on the homestead.